What's up, viewers? Welcome back to another episode of Exploring Winter Wonderland Kashmir with me, your travel companion Tanvi Dikshit, and आज हम आ गए हैं to the gorgeous Pahalgam. यहाँ पे हम explore करने वाले हैं a couple of beautiful valleys, the local markets, and a lot more. So let's go. On our way to Pahalgam, हम आ रहे हैं to a secret destination, and everybody is so excited to know what this destination is. हम लोग बस के टॉप पे आके बैठ गए. As you can see, guys, how excited are we? Here we are. We have just arrived at the secret location. मुझे अभी भी पता नहीं है exactly क्या है, but all I could figure out from the board outside was that we are heading to a waterfall. So this is our pathway. Honestly, my first time in my whole life I'm going to a waterfall while walking on snow. Like, this is crazy. So let's see which waterfall we're going to. Welcome to Aharbal Waterfalls. What an absolutely gorgeous, stunning sight. पहाड़ों वाला ट्रिप इज इनकम्प्लीट विदाउट क्विक मैगी स्टॉप्स, तो हम रुके हैं फॉर अ क्विक मैगी ब्रेक बिफोर वी गेट ऑन आवर जर्नी टू पहलगाम. इट्स गोना बी अनदर 2.5 hour ड्राइव फ्रॉम हियर. तो इससे पेट भर के लेट्स गो टू पहलगाम. We are out to explore the valleys around Pahalgam, और हम यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं to our starting point to head for the gorgeous Aru Valley. Now यहाँ पे just a little bit of information that I need to give you. In Aru Valley and Betab Valley, they actually have a taxi union. So your private vehicle can't actually take you all the way to the valley. So what you have to do is come to this taxi point. It's like a tourist taxi stand, and you park your vehicle here, and then you hire one of their local union taxis, and the taxis will then take you to Aru Valley. So our next destination is going to be Aru Valley, and then after that we are headed to Betab Valley. Also, we have all decided to dress up in traditional Kashmiri fairans today. Welcome to the ultra picturesque Aru Valley. Now this valley is one of the most scenic valleys in Kashmir, and its claim to fame, actually this valley has been a shoot location for many Bollywood movies, but its claim to fame was the movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan, जहाँ पे a lot of its sequences have actually been shot in the valley. This valley is also the starting point of the gorgeous Tarsar Marsar Lake. अगर आपने मेरी तारसर मारसर ट्रैक की वीडियो देखी नहीं है अब तक, तो please click on the link and watch that video as well. So let's go and explore this beautiful valley. Well, so we are on our way to the Aru Valley. As you can see, that is the path that we are taking. Now to go reach the actual valley, जहाँ पे एक बहुत सुंदर सा meadow and all of that is there, you have two ways. The first one is you can actually rent out a pony. So the ponies will take you all the way up to the valley. You can actually spend like half an hour, 45 minutes over there, and then they get you back. The ponies cost you around, I think, 1,000 or 1,200 per person. But since we are on an adventure, we have chosen to hike. So it's about a 3-kilometer hike. As you can see, that is the path that we are taking, and it should take us about 30 to 45 minutes to reach the top. Let's go. Finally entered the Aru Valley Park. तो हम finally पहुंच चुके हैं at the Aru Valley Park, and this is Aru Valley in its full glory. Oh my god, like this is unreal beauty, guys. And मैंने actually Aru Valley monsoon months में भी देखी हुई है, which is August, September. And this valley literally looks unrecognizable right now. It's like a sheet of white and pine trees and just the ice-capped mountains. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous sight. now we are heading on a sledging ride. तो basically Aru Valley से वापस जाते time we are going down rather than walking. We are going to sledge down these slopes. Let's go! Woohoo! Woohoo! Welcome to Betab Valley. अब हम finally पहुंच चुके हैं in this gorgeous valley. आप जैसे कि देख सकते हैं, this is the Lidder River जो कि पहलगाम तक all the way flow होती है to my left. Now let me tell you a little bit about this valley. इस valley का नाम बेताब valley कैसे पड़ा? तो basically the Sunny Deol movie called Betab was shot right here in this valley, and the movie became so popular that this valley came to be known as the Betab Valley. Now some of the sets that they actually used to shoot in this movie, like there's a house right here, these sets have been preserved till date. So let's go and take a look at it. So guys, this is the house जहाँ पे बेताब मूवी के काफ़ी scenes shoot हुए थे, and the house has still been preserved in a really good condition. While you're here in Betab Valley, you can walk around the beautiful landscape. You can click some Insta-worthy pictures. If you don't want to walk around, if you're too tired, you can also rent a sled chair, which is like this really cool ride where they push you all around the valley.